Now to get started with our gingerbread lady, we're going to mark off some spots. So I want it about equal between the head, a circle, a rectangle, the body, and the legs. And with the legs, I'm actually starting with the negative space. So I made a triangle there for the space in between. And the arms, you see I'm kind of measuring, marking some spots, make sure they're about the same length. And curve it off. And we'll add some little curves around there too on the feet. And now I've got all those basic shapes in. I am erasing out the lines that I don't need and cleaning up all the outside lines. So you'll see during this step, it looks more like one whole piece instead of like separate shapes next to each other. All right, I'm measuring the face. So I want to put the eyes in the middle, make sure they're the same distance apart. Now I'm gonna do a little head wreath. So we wanna think about this like it's an actual cookie, right? And how would you put frosting on a cookie? So we wanna think about that. Giving my gingerbread lady a little necklace, and I'm gonna do some matching kind of bracelets. And I guess we'll call these ankle bracelets. Just some simple decorations to make her a little bit more interesting. So when you're done with this step, you can outline her in whatever you want, marker, color pencil, anything, and color it in. All right, good job.